Alright guys, it is Wednesday and been working on the front of the C10 to get the airbag brackets and all that stuff made, and now I'm waiting on the attachments for the hose. Nobody seems to have that stuff around here. The closest place is like 40 minutes in each direction, so I went on Amazon and I bought a bunch of them. This way I have them. As soon as I get them in, I'm going to air up the front and probably just go and start getting the motor mounts in and getting the undercoating on the frame and all that stuff. Let me show you what we've done today. Okay, let me turn this around. Okay, we took out all of pretty much all the guts and made some plates to go right in that hole up on top. Let's see, right about there. And as soon as we get the attachments for the hose, for the air hoses, we'll be able to hook these things up and work them a little bit. We will be getting we got the new fuel pump actually for the Cuda. We're going to be putting that in. I may do that before I leave today because I'm having all kinds of fun stuff with that fuel pump system. Doesn't want to suck the fuel out of the gas tank. But then again, we're using Edelbrock electric fuel pumps. I've had nothing but trouble with those, just to be honest with everybody. I had one car, we went through about 6 of them before we got one that actually worked. And we're on to number 3 now on the Cuda, so that's what we're doing. Okay guys, like and subscribe and keep an eye out. We're working on the new season of Rust Rescue, so that should be coming out very soon. See you guys in a bit.